I appreciate the concern of the questioner. Aro itulah kata social media TV, aro photography TV, even Dreams Unlimited भी itu एक video बना से. So this had drawn the attention of the public. Arup Conditioner itu multidisciplinary sports complex at Dimapur. Itu amakan particularly sports day. सबसे डाउन प्रोजेक्ट तो टोकरा से कोई ना लोचे दे यदि अमकान जगह तो it is 64.25 acres जगह तो टोकरा से and it is fenced it बड़ा encroachment नहीं itu balik तो कथा आरो यदि एक दामोर मेन एथलेटिक स्टेडियम बनाओ कहना प्रपोजल तो 60.57 crores RCC gallery structure बनाने 2006-2007 estimate बनाए थे with a seating capacity of 30,000. Itu Kurishadu source 9 kot professor lagi nak kurung kena itu bicara dia that time planning commission was there itu bra separate planning commission logo dia jaya kena wudi kena Nagaland state to resource 9 and Nagani model global lagi koi kena they agreed. Kintu they could stagger the fund and giving only about 11 crores in a year, starting from 2006 to 2011. At the time they taken 43 crores contribute per during that 4 years period. Inaga hoy kena start kore kintu amakan vision to thik nai aro paisa nai dwa mon bi choto ase bola tate inaga capacity banali do amakan cover gallery lage aro tadiye ki functional rooms kan so banawa lage koi kina etu kan estimate to pothai digena aro etu time de so provision lagena kintu by then all this GST regime has also come debra planning commission thaka time de fund দিয়ে থাকিছে কিন্তু নীতি আয়োগ আহাতে একটা ফান্ডিং বি পা নাই so work came to a standstill lately আমাগান ইন্ডিয়া ফান্ডিং রাটো ক্যাপিটাল ইনভেস্টমেন্ট পৰা আকৌ পয়সা দিগনা প্ল্যানিং কমিশন পৰা 43 crores পাইছে আৰু আমাক state government আৰু capital investment para 97 inaka koi kena 140 crores di dise kendo itu requirement hisab te hoile 267 crores including all those additionals aru GST itu kan loi kena inaga situation de ai jaise. Our intention is to complete, but resources para delay hoise. Coordination Planning Commission Faka tangke olop dise, idia tangke dianai. Itu bara, the only solution is to hand over this multi-purpose disciplinary sports complex. Itu hand over korikena Sports Authority of India. Sai logati gele amakan construction balance bhi hobo. Aru yadi sai ahile do takhan coaching center dibo national standard. Aru that will benefit our sports persons. Nohole amakan iman itu stadium banalbi without coaching. Our sports personnel will not get benefit. When Sri Anurag Thakur, when he was Minister for Sports and Youth Affairs, tai ke log korikena, aru tai laga officials pathai kena stadium sob verified korse. Itu verified korikena, in principle agreed korise. Kintu ako next term itu tai portfolio banai, aru aku review korikena kore ahatu. Itia tu formalities sob khatam hoikena. We are in a process of heading over this very important multi-purpose disciplinary stadium to Sai hatti daile do secured hobo kena itu korse. In this complex, we need more road connectivity because itu 64 plus acres hagadante 30,000 seating capacity. Tadi dia do amakan rasta lage. And you have only one entry. Itu para minimum 3 roads has to be there. Entry from south, from east, and from north. Fourth bhi ayo pare west towards Dimapur College. Kintu we are negotiating with them. The other two sides road duita ase kintu narrow ase. We have to pay compensation to expand the road because in a 30,000 extra entry di dale do, how you will find your seat? Every gate should have some seat number on their side so that itu bahal para jabo lage itu laga include bhi kora nahi. Itu mere yadi so second time survey korikena agree hoikena India MOU sign korbole hi baki ase. MOU to sign with Sports Authority of India. You know, the papers are lying with Law and Justice Department for vetting as proposed. It will be the Abhi Babna to law and order to kinaga law and justice to into vetting joldi korikena file amake ponchho lage aru ami approval digena into immediately MOU to sign kobo lage. Everybody takes their own time. Aru itu delay hoikena amakan bhi feel kore. Aru itia contractor kam koratu we cannot fully blame because fundings are not sufficient. Aru tai itia kimman kam kore ase itu complete korble roofing aru walling itu kan koi dile do. He has to hand over the project to site. Itu ase, and so this Department of Sports will sign with the Saya Regional Directorate. So itu situation will not only construct, but it will be fully utilized by Sport Authority of India in sending their coaches, national coaches in different disciplines. And we hope this will see the light of the day. This is our hope. But once it is given to the Sport Authority of India, I think it will be done and with standard and discipline. So I seek the cooperation of the department, Aro Tadia Rasta entry, exit, into Jaga, Aro immediately department into survey kagina submit global again. Now, your 30 seating capacity, Aro iman car kari ahibo, Aro Tadia Rasta do, tinta charta noheli do, itu functional nohobo. That's how I seek all the cooperations. And I assure that this is a dream stadium, and we hope that these facilities, inaga amagan banalidu, we can also host national games or even regional sports activities. Nohelidu, we have very poor facilities compared to other states. So hopefully this will be done under the care of SAI. Thank you.